Hello people. Now in this today's video, we are going to learn about the keyword planning in digital marketing. So anything or anyone who is doing a project in digital marketing has to plan keywords when you have to make a search campaign, when you have to do SEO, or when you think about shopping campaign as well. Even though you don't add keywords in the shopping campaign, but you add these keywords in the title and description of a shopping campaign. I guess whenever you start working on a project, this is probably the first or second activity that you have to perform after onboarding a project. In fact, before doing the media planning, you do keyword planning. Using keyword planning, we also get to know the average bidding amounts. Bidding amount means how much amount we are going to pay for one single click. Without this bidding amount, we cannot even plan a project. So let's get started. So here we get into the website. First thing is to understand the website, understand the website theme, understand the website product category, and understand the product on the website. So in our case, we are doing this keyword planning for the springtails.in, which is an artificial jewelry store. We can read it from the top. Now, if I simply walk you down through the website, it says browse our latest earring, and the current products on this website are majorly artificial earrings. That's right. In fact, if I get to the catalog, which is going to show me all the products, here also we have multiple products of earrings. So that's why we have to do this keyword planning for earrings. This is the product type that we are having on the website. Now, in the project planning sheet, we have seen that the project is going to be advertised in Delhi NCR. So we also have to think about keywords for this location. We call them local keywords. Now, let's divide our keywords into three different themes. The first one is generic keyword. The second one has to be the category based keyword. And the third one has to be local keywords. Once we have these keywords, using these keywords, we'll be designing or we'll be writing all the keywords for Google and SEO. So let's start with the generic ones. Now, in our case, the generic keyword has to define or decide the website category, the generic keywords for the website. So it has to be artificial jewelry. And this word jewelry can be pronounced or can be written in two different ways. It could be Jewelry or it could be Jewellery. We are going with Jewelry. Now, the one way to find out the generic keywords is to simply type this artificial jewelry as a keyword on Google and look for the relevant terms at the bottom, what people type on Google. So we have keywords like artificial jewelry set, guaranteed artificial jewelry online, artificial jewelry earring, artificial jewelry wholesale. From here, we can choose two keywords. One could be artificial jewelry online. So this can be the second generic keyword. The one very popular keyword for artificial jewelry is imitation jewelry. And the next one could also be something like artificial jewelry set. But we are not selling the sets in our case. We are selling earrings. That's why it's not a good idea to go with artificial jewelry set. Let's keep artificial jewelry online stores. Artificial jewelry stores. We are going with stores only right now. Now, these keywords are just defining the themes for these keywords. We are not deciding the final keywords for this account. Now let's find out the category based keyword. So let's say if we have three categories starting with earrings, this could be one category. If we have nose pin, that could be second category. If we have something like necklace, that could be third category. But in our case, we are currently having only one category on the website. So it could be something like artificial earrings. Artificial earrings. If I again Google artificial earring, let's see what are the other relevant searches. Artificial earring for daily use, artificial earring for girls, artificial earring tops. These could be the relevant keywords. Artificial earrings for girls. And then we have to find out the local keywords. Local keywords means what people type in that location. So we are doing this marketing for Delhi NCR. In our case, this could be artificial earrings in Delhi. Now, there could be a case when people search for artificial jewelry in Delhi, they are looking for offline stores. That's why they are finding the location or typing the location. So you can type something like artificial earring websites in Delhi. Again, these are just the keyword themes. The final keywords will be decided after we'll complete the keyword planning for this project. Then we have something like, let's type in artificial jewelry in Delhi. And from here also, we can find some relevant keywords. So here the relevant keywords could be best artificial earrings in Delhi. Now you can see people who are looking for location as a keyword, they're actually looking for the markets in Delhi. Whenever people use the location name or the city name, they are usually looking for offline market, not the online market. Maybe they are looking for shops or markets, as I said. So let's not get deeper into this keyword, but this is required whenever you have to do SEO for those keywords. So that's why it's important to keep these keywords as well. Now, how do we do keywords planning for Google? So we have multiple tools available for keywords planning, like Keyword Planner by Google. We have keywordtool.io. We have Keyword Planner by Neil Patel. And then you'll find a lot of keyword planner tool, but the one that we can use for this project could be uh, keyword planner tool. Now, how do you get a keyword planner tool? First, you simply have to get into ads.google.com. I hope you already have a website, you already have a Google Ad account, but then in this account, you simply have to get into tools, and then from here you go to plannings. Under planning, you choose keyword planner. So here we have our keyword planner tool. That's right. You click on discover new keywords, and here you type in artificial jewelry, the first generic keyword. Post that, you also type artificial jewelry online, and it's okay if we can go with all of these keywords. So we can find out the best suitable keyword for us. The location targeting has to be Delhi. So I'm removing India and keeping Delhi over here. And then I click on save and then get results. So let's see what Google actually pulls out for us. So here Google has pulled out a couple of results. Let's start with the first one, artificial jewelry, artificial earrings, artificial jewelry online, imitation jewelry. Then we have fake diamond rings. We have a lot of keywords over here. And then if I go through the entire report, this would be having thousands of keyword. Yeah, this is having around 2,383 keywords. Now you can't just go through all of these keywords one by one through this format. So what you can do, you can download this report from here into a Google Sheet or into a CSV file. This is going to take a while. Once this report is downloaded, I'll be going through the entire report and picking some keywords, at least 30 to 40 keywords to add in this keyword planning sheet. Also, along with keywords, I'll be planning or I'll be writing the average monthly searches. So average monthly searches is how much people are searching as an average on the monthly basis. This data is available over here. These are the average monthly searches. So for artificial earring, we have 590 average monthly searches in Delhi. For keyword like artificial jewelry, we have 6,600 average monthly searches. Now, if you don't find the right average monthly searches, then it means people are not searching in that duration. In that case, you have to find the alternative keywords. The bidding amount is very, very less. This is the best part for you, best part for us, in fact, because we don't have to bid very heavily if we want to rank our keywords in the bottom slots, which means in the low ranges. So we can pay somewhere around 2 rupees. If we want to go high, we can pay somewhere around 20 rupees for the main keyword of this particular project. For something like artificial earrings, still we don't have very high keyword requirements anyways. So I click on this open sheet. This is a Google Excel sheet. In fact, Google Sheets, that's the technical name. I get a lot of keywords over here. So I'm going to remove the first two rows from here, and here we are left with additional set of keywords. Cool. I'm removing the columns which are not needed. We don't even have to go through the competition column. What I'm looking at is top page bid, and that's right, high range and low range bid. Cool. So let me remove the indexed value as well. This is not needed. And these are the necessary fields. Okay, so we have these keywords starting artificial jewelry, artificial earring, artificial jewelry online, imitation jewelry, artificial jewelry store. Again, so now we have to decide to categorize these keywords. And how do we do that in terms of categorization? First of all, we go with, okay, let's write down all of these keywords here, over here. Let's go with 30 to 40 keywords. And later on, we will be categorizing these keywords. So let's see if I have to go with top search volume keywords. I can simply copy these keywords from here. Maybe I can go with 100 keywords. These are the top 100 keywords. And these keywords are also having the average top of the page, average monthly searches, low range and high range bid. So let's copy all of these columns. Perfect. And put it in the main sheet. All right. I can simply reformat it something like this. So here we have our main possible keywords for this account. Now, from here, we can choose what keywords we need to add in the campaign. When we make any campaign in Google, we have to categorize that campaign in different groups. So maybe we'll be making one generic group for artificial jewelry. We can also make one category based group for artificial earrings, or we can make third one for local keywords, just in case if we'll be making groups in those categories. So it's totally up to us how do we decide to categorize these keywords. But first of all, we wanted to go through this keyword analysis report. Now let's find out the average bidding amounts. So if we go with the low range bidding amounts, you can see we have to bid somewhere around 2 to 4 rupees, somewhere in between this amount. If we go with keeping the ads in the highest slots, we can keep our bidding amount somewhere in between 25 to 30. So if we go somewhere around 10 rupees, that would be the average of both of these two ranges. Now, deciding the SEO keywords is also very, very important because if you want to rank your website for free, so whenever you think about going with paid marketing, it limits you to run the company. It limits you to show the ads on Google until you have this amount, until you have the budgets. If you don't have the budgets with you, you don't get any traffic on the website. So it's always an idea. It's always recommended to go hand in hand. Hand in hand means you go with organic plus paid marketing both. You shall always be having the organic traffic coming on the website. So let's decide the top possible SEO keywords. I guess this could be the right keywords for SEO right now. I'm randomly choosing these keywords. We can go through these keywords in detail after a while, but let's look at these keywords. Let's look what exactly we are adding for SEO. So first one is artificial jewelry, then artificial earring. Both these keywords are totally fine. Artificial jewelry online, imitation jewelry is fine. Artificial jewelry store, no, this keyword is not needed because we don't want to advertise for to someone who's looking for a store. Fake diamond ring, again, not needed. And then best fake diamond rings. No, these are all about diamond rings. So far, we have only decided 4 keywords from the keyword planning sheet. Let's get going. Okay. So here I don't artificial diamond earring. Okay, this is totally fine. Now I don't find the right keywords, very relevant keywords for this project so far. So what I can do, I can go back to keyword planner tool, and this time I can only search with artificial earring. And I believe this or artificial earring, that's right. And I guess this keyword artificial earring is gonna provide me some more relevant keywords. Now let's see the result for artificial earrings. And this time it shows artificial earrings. Okay, artificial diamond earrings, artificial diamond stud earrings, imitation diamond earrings. Again, we don't have very good keywords because you can say the search volume for these keywords are not really good. Let's say we sort this entire list using average search volumes. Again, so we don't really have a lot of good keywords over here. Artificial jhumka is something which we don't really need. So what else do we do? Let's try with some other keywords. Artificial online earrings. I click on get results, and here it says artificial earrings, artificial jhumka. Now we don't have the jhumkas available on the website. That's why we can't go with this keyword jhumka. Golden jhumka. No, we are not going with any of these kind of keyword. We can go with artificial diamond earrings. We are having some earrings which are having the diamond. Okay, we already have it. Cool. So now we just have these five keywords, and rest of the keywords does not seem very promising. Okay, okay. Artificial, we don't go with shop. Artificial cost, Indian costume jewelry. No, not online artificial jewelry shopping. This is the right keyword now. Let's pick this keyword and put it over here. Let's remove these keywords. Let's go down to find out some more important keywords. Artificial jewelry, no, no wholesale. Artificial jewelry set is, no, again, we are not selling the set on the website. So here you can see we have a very limited number of options. Now let's go with artificial jewelry. Okay. Now let's go with this single keyword. Let's click on get results and see if we are able to get any more relevant keywords. Cool. So this time we have artificial jewelry, artificial jewelry, artificial jewelry. Okay. Jewelry, artificial jewelry. Okay. Imitation jewelry. This is something which we have already added. Artificial earrings. We already got that. Artificial jewelry online. I guess we already have this. Artificial gold jewelry. Now this is the relevant keyword. Perfect. So let's add artificial gold jewelry in the list. Somewhere in this list. Artificial gold jewelry, and this one is having search volume of 390. The average bidding amounts are 9317, 93, 0.93, 0.93, and 17. Cool. Let's copy and follow the same formatting. We still have only seven keywords in the list. We still need to find more additional keywords. So I guess this keyword planning could be very frustrating sometimes if you're not able to find the right keywords for the business. But then you can take your own time, and then it's possible that you find the more relevant keywords. Something like this: gold imitation jewelry, artificial bridal jewelry, artificial diamond rings. This is fine. Online artificial jewelry shopping. Okay, now we are getting some good keywords from the list. So you can say it's possible that you don't get the right keywords in the beginning, but eventually you will start getting some good keywords from the keyword planner tool. Artificial bracelet, no. Earring designs. Now we have the right keyword, artificial earring designs. Then artificial ring. Nopes, 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 nopes. Cool. Now let's do one more thing. Let's go on the website and see what type of products we have. So here we have the main products. Here we have products like American diamond studded crystal dangle drop. We have butterfly earrings for women. We have butterfly earrings. Now you can see we have earrings in different format. So what we can do, we can go with these product based searches. So I can again go to keyword planner tool and type something like diamond drops, DIMOND, drop earrings, then butterfly earrings. Then we have something like fashion frill earrings. I really don't have very good understanding of earrings. Fashion frill earrings. Oops. Butterfly earrings. Fashion frill earrings. Butterfly earrings. Fashion frill earrings. Then we have keywords like golden Korea earrings, gold earrings, gold artificial. So the only thing which I'm trying to show you is that keyword research could be very frustrating for you sometimes. You have to spend a lot of time in order to find the right keywords. If you won't be able to find the right keywords, it's highly possible that you will be spending a lot of money in Google search campaign without getting the sale. So you have to find out these keywords for any of the projects. All right, so now we have earrings with butterflies. All right, butterfly, gold butterfly earrings. We can go with these kind of, oops, this one is the right keyword, butterfly earring. So let's go with this one as well, butterfly earring. this is having a pretty good search volume, which is for 1000 searches. Then we have earrings with butterflies. Perfect. Then we have gold butterfly earrings. One more keyword. And then we have diamond long earrings. Cool. So now you can see we have a good number of keywords in this list. So we have somewhere around, let me count these keywords after pasting the formatting. So we have somewhere around 12, nope, we have somewhere around until here. So we have somewhere around 15 keywords over here. I'm just removing all the remaining keywords from the list. I can take some more time and then I can find out the more relevant keywords. But the idea was to have the relevant keywords for Google keyword campaign, which means Google search campaign. And then we can do some more research. We can go with adding a couple of more keywords from this list to do SEO. Now, once these keywords are available, it's time that we have to go through all of these keywords list. If you have a client, you have to get these keywords reviewed by the client, at least for SEO, if not for Google Ads. Once your client reviews both the set of keywords, then it's time to launch the campaign. But the most important part is to find out the average bidding amount. Now, the average bidding amount for these keywords is somewhere around, now for this one, for the high range, it's somewhere around let's say if I find out the average, it's somewhere around 17. For the low range, it's somewhere around 1 rupee. So we can easily go with keeping this keyword bidding amount in between, uh, let's say 5 to 15 rupees. So in the keyword, in the media planning sheet, in which we are going to decide the biddings and also the campaign types and everything, we have added this bidding amount. This is something which will be covering in the next video so that you can understand how do we do media planning for any project in the digital marketing. But I guess this video is was about keyword planning, and now you have a fair idea about keyword planning tool. Now, people who are watching this video, what I want from you, also who have joined this training course to understand and learn digital marketing, I want you to make a list, like find more keywords for uh, artificial jewelry, find more keywords for artificial earrings. Just make sure you are having at least 30-40 keywords for Google and you have at least 10 good keywords for SEO. Also, you go through the average monthly searches, the SEO difficulty. This is something which we can find from the competition, and then the current ranking of keywords. Now, usually when you start with any project, you don't find the current keywords because it's a new project. That's why the keywords are probably not ranking. In terms of SEO difficulty, it's going to be high in our case because we are having competitions with Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. All of these companies are also selling earrings. That's why we are in a very competitive domain. So I'll see you in the next video where we'll be discussing about media planning in this training series. I'll see you in the next one.